Guys, it's your favorite life changer, health coach, and auntie, your girl, Bad on BB. And I'm going to just talk some real talk about a question that I got asked because it's really common with anybody I share my journey with, as you know, somebody with fibromyalgia, psoriatic arthritis, under the age of 30 when I was diagnosed, um, and lost 30 pounds. Anybody I share my journey with, when they look back at their journeys, they're like, dang, why didn't anybody tell me I was getting big? Here's the answer, guys. 9 times out of 10, your friends aren't like Regina George from the Mean Girls. Okay, or what was the girl? Not Regina George, but Lindsay Lohan's character, the girl, feeding. She was feeding Regina George the protein bar so that she would get bigger and everybody else would stay slim. 9 times out of 10, your family isn't like that. Your family's not doing that. Your friends that you're around, they're not doing that. The reason why your friends and family are not telling you that, hey, you look like you gained a little bit of weight, it's because they're doing the same thing too. You are in surroundings where everybody is eating similarly to you. Everybody has a similar lifestyle to you because we're humans and that's in our nature to naturally adapt with people who are like us. Tell me who your friends are and I'll tell you who you are. It's often said in personal development that we are accumulation of the top 5 people that we speak to the most every day. When I look at my lifestyle a few years ago, when I was going through the worst pains of my life, when I was overweight, when I was extremely anxiety stricken and unhappy, I was also around people who had anxiety. I was also around people who had binge drinking issues, people who were overeating, people who were slothy, people who were not living active lifestyles. And most people are consciously able to live that way or unconsciously able to live that way. They're not even aware because it's just the normal thing to do. For example, I'm in the city of Chicago. I've been born and raised here. I know that it's normal for me to look both ways before crossing the street. I know that it's normal to stand on this side of the train. I know that it's normal to use my vendor pass to pay to get on the bus or to pay to get on the train. It's normal because that's what my surroundings are. That's what I was bred around. The same way is how you developed your eating habits, your lifestyle habits, and everything else. I'm a Black American woman. I grew up eating Southern soul food when my grandmother or my mother cooked around Thanksgiving. For people who don't know what that is, that's like cornbread, red beans and rice, fried foods, fried catfish, fried fishes, fried chicken, fried anything, okay? Collard greens with ham hocks in them. Or, if you're a little healthier, turkey tails in them. I have a dope recipe for that too. But that was my lifestyle. I'm from Chicago, man. We got this is the #1 foodie city in the country, okay? And I'm not just saying that, like, you can look it up, okay? We've got Italian beefs. We've got pizza, deep dish in Chicago. We've got Italians making Italian pizza in Chicago. We got New York style pizza. People from New York coming to Chicago, buying up the real estate in Chicago, okay? Like, real talk, we have so much good food that's fast, that's processed, easy to make, highly unhealthy, filled with all kind of delicious but unnutritionally valued things. And that is the lifestyle for people. There are people who their kids are more used to fast food and unhome cooked foods because their parents are usually working and not cooking. There are people who are used to eating out. Like, just look around. What do me and my friends, when we go out, we eat tapas, we have cocktails. And I noticed one of my best friends, she stopped drinking alcohol. And we'll still go out together, and she gets a non-alcoholic cocktail. Now that I see her doing it, and I know it's possible for me, especially as I continue my health journey, and I know there are going to be diets and things that I cannot drink any alcohol, I'm like, hey, this is so awesome that I have that type of person around me, that now I know I can go out and have a good time without drinking alcohol too. But imagine those people in those environments where we know these people, and some of us are these people. I am these people. I was these people as well. We know these people that they can't get around each other without drinking. They can't get around each other without smoking. Even if it's a hookah, even if it's, some weed, they always have to be doing something that is a drug. A drug, by definition, is any substance other than food that affect the way the mind and the body work. Doesn't matter if it has medicinal properties like weed. It alters your brain. It alters your nervous system. We know that there are people that we just can't be our own selves mellowed with. We know that there are people who isn't going to be on the vegan diet with us. Surely enough, if you were a meat eater and you get around all vegans, they're going to put you on some vegan food sometime, and you're going to like it. So you'll start eating more. And through the power of osmosis, you are going to start allowing these people's habits and lifestyles to seep into yours. I call it the tea bag effect. It's just like you're the little cup of water, and your surroundings is the bag that seeps into you, infiltrates your flavor. So why were the people not telling you you gained about 10, 20 pounds, 30 pounds, like I did? I was in a relationship, and I didn't realize I was getting bigger. For one, I didn't feel less attractive because the person I was with never made me feel unattractive. I felt hot. I made jokes about it. I said, I knew I was getting bigger just from the way my clothes were fitting. I was making jokes saying, I'm not going to do a diet. I'm just going to get a size larger. I was really thinking that way. I wasn't on my health tip. He never told me I'm gaining any weight. We're going out to eat, having buffets, all you can eat, all you can drink, and it's on him. He's gaining weight and I'm gaining weight. Osmosis. We weren't doing healthy working out, hiking together. That wasn't our lifestyle. We like to go out at the bar, have some bar food, have some drinks, and watch a game. That was our physical activity that we did for fun. Like, why don't the people closest to you tell you when you're gaining weight? 9 times out of 10, they don't mean any harm. They're not health conscious. You're not health conscious either. Oftentimes, it's going to take getting out of your environment, being around health conscious people, and most of people need a health coach, to be frank. Somebody that they see as inspiration that they want to follow, or just somebody that's just on their health kick and will seep into them to actually start indulging in the fact that I can be in better shape. I can be healthier. I can make some better lifestyle decisions. That's often what it takes for people, is knowing that, or just being around a different environment of people. See, now that I'm with my family now, and I'm the one that doesn't eat dairy, I'm the one that doesn't drink pop, I see the changes in my own family, where now they're picking up sparkling water instead of the pop. They're getting the organic stuff. They see what's on my social media now. That people see that I'm living what I'm talking, that I'm working out, that I'm posting my workouts. I'm in accountability groups where I have other people to the left and to the right of me who are keeping me accountable for my fitness goals. Guys, It's that simple. Majority of us are living in the byproduct of our lifestyle, environment, and the people hanging around us. It is not that people are being malicious to you. Some people just don't want to be, hurt your feelings. They might see you're a little bit bigger, but let's look at reality. It's a lot of obese people in America. It's a lot of overweight people in America. And now with this body positivity movement, it's even ruder to tell somebody that they're overweight unless you are a doctor and you're telling them that they're pre-diabetic, like happened to me. That's when they put you right on the files of your chart, your health chart. She's overweight. He's overweight. People don't want to be mean, but also usually people are living the same type of lifestyle as you. The question is, what are you going to do about it? Now that you might see that you need to make a lifestyle change, you need to lose a little bit of weight. The easiest way to put yourself in position to be better than what you are today is to get around people who are already doing better than you. I kid you not. Since getting a business coach, being around entrepreneurs, it changed my mindset. Since being in an MLM where people are talking about sales and personal development, it changed my mindset. When I was in school and I saw people studying, it changed my mindset. This is what you have to do on a basic level. If you want to dress well, get around people who dress well. Pick up things from them. Like, I remember when I first started working downtown Chicago, I was like, dang, I'm wearing jeans and gym shoes. These girls are wearing pencil skirts and what is this, Tory Burch, Michael Kors? What kind of bags they have on? And eventually I started looking that same way. Find your people. Find your accountability partners. Find some social media inspiration. That's the best way to change your lifestyle. That's the best way to get out of whatever stinking thinking that you are having about your health journey. The easiest way that you can change your lifestyle right now is to get around people who have changed lifestyles or they're in the process, because it is going to seep into you. But have grace for the people who are not telling you that you're bigger. Nobody noticed because they was getting bigger too. Okay? If you need help getting bigger, definitely reach out to me. I've just announced that October 11th, we are having a challenge where it's basically a 30 minutes of exercise, 3 accountability partners. I'm personally looking for 2 new accountability partners to join me on the My Health Matters challenge. You get your 3 products, supplements from me, and then you join me in my accountability group, and we are going to have rapid transformations in 12 days. I'm even taking it to the extreme because I'm pretty much at a healthy body weight. I'm pretty much, y'all can see from the skin, I'm pretty much glowed up. I'm pretty much healthy, pretty anti-inflammatory right now, feeling good, feeling great. All that's left for me to do is just kick it up another notch. So I'm trying to do like the Tom Brady diet, the anti-inflammatory extreme diet and stuff. But I still need accountability for like working out. I still need to be here for like motivating other people. And that's the best way to go. So if that's something that you're into, make sure you join the My Health Matters 12-day challenge with me. I'll leave the link in the description box below. In the meantime, in between time, all my information is available for you guys. I will catch you next time. It's your girl Bad on BB. Over now.